Hey guys, it's Sam and it's time for another business spotlight. Right now I am in Mifflinburg. We're at Pompeii Street Soap Company and Aromatherapy, so I know it's gonna smell good in there. Make sure you stick around to the end of the video for a special collaboration for Earth Day. Follow me. We wish smell-o-vision was a thing inside Pompeii Street Soap Company. Owner Jessica has been making soap for over 20 years and has been sharing her talents with Mifflinburg and beyond since 2008. They use thoughtfully sourced and clean ingredients in all their 200 plus products, offering over 30 artisan soap bars year-round, plus their seasonal scents like this Himalayan rose. Check out their new hair care bars, or shop by collection, from their biggest selection of lavender to lemongrass for Mother's Day, or cedar spruce for the dads on Father's Day. All Pompeii Street products are formulated through the lens of a certified aromatherapist, and they're handmade in small batches right here in the store. That's right, everything with a Pompeii Street label was produced and packaged right here. You can literally watch the employees cut their soaps live while you shop. She cut almost 400 bars of soap just while we were in the store today. Then the soap heads into the curing room where it sits for a month before packaging. Now you can get laundry soap and dish soap refills for a reduced cost right in the store too. Maybe you found a gift for someone while you were shopping. Pompeii Street will wrap your gifts for free. Just ask. And starting tomorrow, April 19th through Monday, April 22nd, 15% of all sales will go directly to the Merrill W. Lynn Land and Waterways Conservancy, a local cause that directly impacts our local environment. So come on down to get some goodies for a good cause at Pompeii Street Soap Company. You know the drill. Click the link in the caption above to follow them for specials and new seasonal scents.